Guys, welcome back to my channel. How have you guys been? On today's video I'll be teaching you how to make abacha, Enugu abacha, that sumptuous Enugu abacha that we all crave for, that we all have been hearing about. I'll teach you how to make it today. So let me quickly run you through the ingredients we need for this abacha. The first and foremost is abacha. Abacha is made from cassava. Yeah, it's made from cassava, and I'll be adding Ugba to my abacha. Some people don't add Ugba, but it makes it taste really nice as well. I'll be adding pomo, or as the people in Southeast will call it kanda, cow skin. Then I'll also be adding Ogiri. Ogiri is optional because I understand that some people do not like the smell and everything, but trust me, the smell is what makes it thick. So if you can't stand the smell or you don't like Ogiri, but I know some people don't like it in their meals, you can remove it. It won't alter the taste of the abacha, it will still come out well. Then I'll be using dried prawns. The Igbo people call it oporo. I'll be using it for this abacha. Some people don't put it, but when you put it, it will also make it taste very nice. This is salt. I'll be using garden egg. This is stock cube, yeah, and this is panla fish. Some people might want to go with what do they call it, Titus or any other kind of fish, but this is what I want to use at the moment. So I'll be adding dry pepper, yeah, and this is garden egg leaf. That leaf, a well-made abacha contains garden egg leaf, but the thing is that most times garden egg leaf is scarce, so people use all kinds of leaf that they find to make theirs. But trust me, the main one for abacha is garden egg leaf. Yeah, I was lucky to see it in the market. Another very important ingredient is ehuru. This is the seed, so I'm going to fry it and grind it, but this is what it looks like. If you go to the market and you see the ground one, perfect, you can use it as well. Then I'll be adding onions, of course, yeah. So I don't think there's any. Okay, another thing we need is ungo. Ungo, some people use ungo, some people call it ungo. Me, I'm calling it ungo. Yeah, some people use potash and water to get their ungo. I think this one is made from, I bought it from someone that sells this stuff from the east. I think this one is from plantain. They have the one they make from plantain, and there are several other ones. So these are the ingredients we'll be using for our abacha. Right now, the first thing first is to soak this abacha in warm water for 1 minute. 1 minute. Even when you bring it out and it looks hard, don't worry, just soak it in 1 minute. Don't let it get too soft. Then while I wait for this, I'm going to go ahead to prep the other ingredients. First and foremost, I'm going to wash this cow skin neatly, wash it, cut it, and season it, then boil it. Okay guys, so let me prep the rest of the welcome back. I've finished prepping my ingredients. I don't know what I was thinking, and I forgot to mention palm oil. It was when I now started and I wanted to mix it that I realized that, oh, I've not brought out my palm oil. So guys, palm oil is the main ingredient because it gives abacha that very flavorful and nice color. Yeah, so now I'm going to start. Yes, so first things first, I turn my palm oil into this. Okay, then the next thing is to add my ungo. I think the light is affecting this my shooting. You add ungo and you stir until it becomes thick and has this can you see? Has this orangish, a bit yellowish color. No, not orange, this is orange. So you can see that it is getting thick. This is what the ungo does to the abacha. Yes, okay, guys, once you put the ungo into the oil. You stir it until it comes to this color and it looks this paste. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna be adding, it's my ogiri igbo. If you don't have ogiri, fine, you can skip this step. If you don't like or you don't want to use ogiri, nothing will happen whether you use ogiri or not. But because I'm from Anambra people, we don't joke with ogiri. Yeah, so that's the next thing I'm adding. So I continue to give it a stir, continue to stir it and make sure that the ogiri is dissolved into the the smell is so inviting, dissolves into the paste. Yeah, as you guys can see. So I'm going to be adding another very, very important ingredient that makes your abacha thick. Not thick as in this thick as in makes it, the thick I mean is makes it really, really nice. And that is ehuru. Some people call it ehuru, whatever. I use my mortar and pestle to grind mine, so I'm going to take it out from it and add. Remember that I said if you didn't buy the ground one from the market, when you buy the seed one, what you do is that you roast it a bit before you grind it. Okay, so this is it. You stir. Then the next thing I'll be adding is pepper. Basically all the dry ingredients, you add them now. My dry pepper, that's the next thing. You give it a stir. Okay, stir it, ensure that no ingredient is, ensure that it's well mixed rather. Yeah, so the next thing I'll be adding now is stock cube. Stock cube, yeah, give it a stir as well. Then I'll be adding my Ugba. I got the egg popped into the Ugba. So you give it a stir. If you don't have over, no problem. Nothing mega, nothing they happen. The next thing I'll be adding is my onions. Yeah. Give it a stir. Stir it. You remember my prawns? I can add it now. When you add that, you give it a stir. You can tell that this our abacha is not for small children. So the next thing I'll be adding is my fish. I cooked my fish with the pomo. You guys remember that I said I was going to add pomo. It's optional. Some people actually just use their pomo to garnish their abacha. So it all depends on you. So I'll give it another stir. Then I'll be adding my abacha now. When I add my abacha, I will still stir it. You can use your hand though, at this point. Just stir it and ensure that the abacha gets to okay, so you can see that it has mixed properly with the ungo. So next thing, you add salt to taste. Add salt. You add salt. And stir. Then the final thing is to add, just sprinkle the garden egg rather, not the leaves now. The garden eggs. The Ugba, I put both of them in the same place. That's why you're seeing some trickling of Ugba into it. So you stir, give it a good stir. And your abacha is ready. Yeah. Please, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do so, right? This is your yummy Enugu abacha. It is ready. Very ready. So I bet some of you be wondering, what about the garden egg leaf, the akwukwo? Where is it? So the next thing is to dish our abacha. Okay? Dish it. The akwukwo is a vegetable that we are going to use to garnish our abacha. Yeah. So you go in with the akwukwo anara, the garden egg leaf, and some onion rings. Then your fish, if you have fish, some can have theirs with what they call it, with chicken, whatever it is that you want at this point. So thank you so much guys for watching. Share this video with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed, please kindly do so. And please let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye guys.